Hello children. Today we will discuss long answer type questions of page number 22, exercise 2, F, G, H, I and J, and all other long answers I had sent in the form of video and in the form of PDF too. I hope all of you have done it in your copy. Today we will discuss page number 22, long answer exercise 2, F, G, H, I and J. Question number F. What is the question number F? That how can we help, how should we respect elders and old people in our family and society? हम कैसे respect कैसे कर सकता है एल्डर्स और ओल्ड पीपल हमारे फैमिली और सोसाइटी में है, तो उनका रेस्पेक्ट हम कैसे करेंगे? आंसर है वी शुड गिव दम लव, केयर एंड अफेक्शन. हम हमारा रेस्पेक्ट इस रूप में उनको दे सकता है, प्यार करके, केयर करके, मतलब हमारा अफेक्शन उनको दिखा के हम उनको रेस्पेक्ट कर सकता है. और अनदर वे ऑफ शोइंग योर रेस्पेक्ट इज़ टू टेक दम रेगुलरली टू द डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर के पास हम ले जा सकते हैं उनको. एंड वी शुड हेल्प देम इन देयर डेली वर्क. उनका डेली वर्क में उनको, वो ओल्ड है और वो उनको अपने आप उनका काम नहीं कर सकता, तो हमें उनको रेस्पेक्ट, हम ये ऐसे बोल के वी हैव रेस्पेक्ट फॉर देम by not by saying you cannot show your respect. If one person is saying I respect you, but we need to show our respect not through our words. We should show our respect through our deeds. हमारा वर्ड से, जो हमारा मुंह से जो निकलता है, वो वर्ड से नहीं हम रेस्पेक्ट नहीं दिखा सकता. वो तो कोई भी दिखा सकता है, बट उसमें कोई वो नहीं है. बट वी नीड टू डू something for them. That is the right way of showing your respect towards elders. Okay, otherwise if you are saying that I have respect to my elders and old people in my home, I show respect to them, I say these words, I say namaste to them daily, nothing is there in your namaste and all if you are not doing anything for them. If every day you are saying namaste and you are touching their feet, nothing is there. But you have to show through your deeds that you respect them. Okay, so these are the three ways you can show your respect your elders. That we should take them regularly to the doctor, and we should help them in a daily work. They are old and they are not able to do their work their own, so you can help them. You can read a newspaper for them, you can serve water to them, you can serve food to them, you can help in their daily work. Okay, this is the way to show your respect your elders and old people in your house. Next question is, what does a sweeper do? Explain. A sweeper क्या करता है, explain भी करने के लिए बोला है. Then a sweeper cleans the surroundings. हमारा जो सराउंडिंग्स है, जो हम रहते हैं उसका दर जो सराउंडिंग्स, हमारा जो एरिया, उसको साफ करने वाला स्वीपर है. A sweeper helps to keep the environment clean and tidy. A sweeper हमारा जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट को क्लीन और टाइडी रखने में मदद करता है. Thus he keeps us away from various diseases. वैसे वो हमें बहुत सारा डिसीज़ेस में से, बहुत सारा बीमारियों से हमें क्या करता है, दूर मतलब रखता है. मतलब उनकी वजह से हमें बीमार नहीं होता, क्योंकि वो हमारा सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन करता है. दैट्स वाई. अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन इफ देयर इज नो स्वीपर फॉर क्लीनिंग आवर एनवायरनमेंट? व्हाट विल हैपन? ऑल द dirty things will deposit in one side, and all the flies and all will be flying around our area. Or what will happen and with these flies and all, we will get many diseases. They will bring germs into our house, so we will get diseases. So if there is a sweeper, he will clean our environment. Thus he keeps us away from डिसीजेस मीन्स बीमारी। एक स्वीपर का काम ये है, वो हमारा सराउंडिंग्स को क्लीन करता है, वो हमारा एरिया को क्लीन करता है। ऐसे क्लीन करके वो हमें बहुत सारा बीमारियों से बचाता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हेल्प्स अस व्हेन देयर इज़ अ वॉर इन आवर कंट्री। हमारा राज्य में, हमारा कंट्री में, हमारा राष्ट्र में कुछ वार मतलब जो युद्ध होता है तो हमें कौन बचाता है? दिस इज इट इज द क्वेश्चन हैज़ गिवन इन द लॉन्ग आंसर बट इट्स अ शॉर्ट आंसर, ओनली वन वर्ड वी कैन राइट, अ सोल्जर हेल्प्स अस व्हेन देयर इज अ वॉर इन आवर कंट्री. Okay, next question, what is dignity of labor? That this question also I have taught you many times, and I tried my best to make you understand what is dignity of labor. So answer is this: a person should never be discriminated on the basis of his occupation. This is known as dignity of labor. एक person should never be discriminated. A person should never be discriminated, or a person should never be left behind from anywhere on the basis of his occupation. This is known as dignity of labor. A person, whatever he do, whatever his work it is, he should get much importance like other people gets. If a person, whether he is a sweeper, whether he is a doctor, whether he is a servant in a house, or whether he is a manager in a company, whatever his post, he should get same importance like other people. No person should be discriminated on the basis of his occupation. If he is doing a job that has not that much importance he is not in a high level job, then he is not getting that much importance to in the society. That's a wrong thing. All the people should get his own important. All the people have their own importance. Every person has his own importance. All the people are the creation of God, so everyone has the right to get all the rights. So if he is doing his job and he is making money through his job, and he is getting earning from the job, and he has a living, then he has the right to get the importance like other people get. So no man should be discriminated on the basis of his occupation. कोई भी इंसान को मतलब नीचा नहीं दिखाना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसका जॉब, उसका काम मतलब जो थोड़ा लो लेवल का है, वो इतना बड़ा सोसाइटी में इतना अच्छा काम नहीं करता, वो तो एक बहुत नीचे लेवल का जॉब करता है. तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मतलब उसको मतलब वो तो ऐसा उसका काम वो है, तो उसको इतना मतलब इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देने का ज़रूरत नहीं. ऐसा किसी को मेंटालिटी है तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. उसको मतलब किसी को भी अपने जॉब का नाम बोल के नीचे दिखाना नहीं चाहिए. इसको डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर कहता है. ठीक है. A person should never be discriminated on the basis of his occupation. उसका occupation, उसका job, उसका काम ये है बोल के किसी को भी मतलब जो कुछ नीचे दिखाना नहीं है, इसको dignity of labor कहता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the main occupation of people in villages? What the people do in villages? विलेज में, जो गांव एरिया में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जॉब क्या है लोगों का? आंसर है फार्मिंग इज़ द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द पीपल इन विलेजेस. विलेजेस में फार्मिंग है. फार्मिंग मीन्स खेती है सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑक्यूपेशन. ओके, सो वन मोर टाइम आई विल से द आंसर्स along with the questions. Please listen. How should we respect elders and old people in our family and society? Question number F. Answer: we should give them love, care and affection. We should take them regularly to the doctor. We should help them in their daily work. question number G. What does a sweeper do? Explain. A sweeper cleans the surroundings. A sweeper helps to keep the environment clean and tidy. Thus, he keeps us away from various diseases. Question number H. Who helps us when there is a war in our country? Answer. A soldier helps us when there is a war in our country. Next question I. What is dignity of labor? A person should never be discriminated on the basis of his occupation. This is known as dignity of labor. Question number J. What is the main occupation of people in villages? Farming is the main occupation of the people in villages. These are the question number answers of question number F to J. All of you do in copy. I have sent PDF also along with this video. You need to do your work in copy with very good handwriting. So this is for the day. Thank you, children.